just think you can just bring that beer, huh?
Fuck, I just realized I went to the bathroom early. Yo, check this out.
We let the gate over, we let the cows over. Back to drinking. Justin, would you rather swim 300 meters through shit or feet?
Fuck. Dude, I hate to say this, probably shit. Probably shit. Shit washes off.
Would you rather fight 100 duck-sized horses or one horse-sized duck?
100 size horses? Or what's the other one?
100 duck-sized horses.
Yeah.
Or one horse-sized duck.
Oh, one horse-sized duck, dude. Easily done. I'll kick the shit out of that thing.
Would you rather eat no candy at Halloween or no turkey in Thanksgiving?
Oh, fuck the turkey. Fuck the turkey.
Would you rather have finger-sized nipples or nipple-sized fingers? Like Tootsie Rolls.
Finger-sized nipples. Or nipple-sized fingers. No, you know what? My nipples are bad as it is. Probably go with the nipple-sized fingers.
Would you rather peel all your nails out of your fingers or pull all your teeth out of your mouth?
Pull my fingernails. Definitely. Definitely.
Would you rather have sex with a hideously ugly person or a beautiful, fresh corpse?
This is gonna sound horrible. I gotta go with the corpse, dude. I gotta go with the corpse.
Justin, would you rather have a pig orgasm, which is over 30 minutes long, or the sex life of a lion, which is over 50 times a day?
Oh, the pig.
The pig. You'd rather have an orgasm that is 30 minutes long or have 50 orgasms throughout the day?
I gotta sleep. Gotta go sleep.
Would you rather see your other half in a porn video or your parents?
Do I have to see it?
You don't have a choice.
Probably my parents.
Oh, you dirty
I don't
fucker.
want my wife to be gangbang.
But you want your mother?
Would you rather have your mom send you a nude by accident or have her send one to all your friends? Well, don't get a nosebleed.
Probably send one to my friend.
Yes!
I don't...
Hell yeah!
Sorry, Mom.
Would you rather not have sex for a year or have it every day of your life, but no orgasm ever?
The whole point is to have the orgasm.
Sharing is caring, though.
What was the first one?
Have sex every day of your life, or not have sex every day of your life for a year.
Oh no, I'd rather fuck without busting.
Would you rather your internet search go public or your sex tape go viral?
My sex tape go viral.
Yes! Dude, can I have a
Sex
copy?
tape go
Can I have a
viral.
copy?
Yes.
Would you rather drink 2 liters of piss or 2 liters of sweat?
Piss is good for you though. Yo, piss is good for you.
Not good for you.
We can Google that shit. Piss is
Sterile.
good for you though. And it's not gonna be salty.
This one's one of my favorites. Would you rather sit on a dick and eat a cake or sit on a cake and eat a dick?
My dad used to say, we're having cake and cock and we're all out of cake.
So your answer?
I mean, cake.
Are you ready for this one? Sorry, Mom. Would you rather drink a cup of your mom's period blood or your dad's sperm?
Oh. I want to save my mom's blood. Right? You're like, sorry, Mom.
Would you rather shake a homeless guy's hand for 2 minutes or massage his feet for 1 minute?
Oh, shake his fucking hand.
No, you're being too fast for this fucking answer, dude. That was, maybe it's too
Shake
easy.
his fucking hand. Are you kidding me?
Yo, 2 minutes?
I'm not touching feet, though. I'm not touching
It's
feet.
only for 1 though.
Can I use my sleeve?
Yeah, you can use your feet. Ah, nice.
Would you rather give birth pain-free through your mouth or through your vagina?
Well, I don't have a vag.
So let's just say your asshole.
But that wasn't... Oh, so my mouth or my asshole?
Pain-free birth through your... Should we start over?
No. Mouth or asshole?
Let's start over. Would you rather give birth pain-free through your mouth or painfully through your asshole?
Oh. My mouth, that's a big mouth though. Now I have taken big dumps, but they're not painful. I want to say through my asshole because I figure like you should, like you've had pain there some way or the other.
Your hips are going to displace like a woman's would. Shoot a baby out.
I want to be crowning, dude.
Would you rather your worst enemy marry your wife or your best friend marry your mom?
Oh, my best friend married my mom. Not
Nice.
without a doubt. Would you rather pee every time you stand up or poop every time you sit down?
When I have to go pee. When I have to go pee every time I stand up. Like right now, I gotta go pee.
So, but you sit down when you pee.
Oh, and I just sat down to bunch of shit. Is that what it is?
Would you rather have a threesome with 2 little people or 2 7-foot tall chicks?
I'm into the spinners.
Oh,
Gotta do
spinners
the
it
little
is!
gals. Gotta do the little gals. Would you rather have diarrhea during your wedding ceremony or on your wedding night?
Oh, dude. I just want to point out that Justin just farted, and there's a fan right behind him. So I'm eating the whole thing, and his question was about shit. I guess on my reception, or what is it? Not on my wedding night.
Diarrhea during your wedding night or your wedding reception?
Probably my reception. Like I wouldn't care if I'm dancing and I'm just like
Squirt, squirt, squirt.